Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a shaving kit that's all about luxury and precision. The MÜHLE ROCCA Jet Black Stainless Steel 3-piece shaving set combines sleek design with top-tier craftsmanship. Whether you're a seasoned shaving enthusiast or just looking for a high-quality upgrade, this set promises a premium experience. Let's take a closer look. The MÜHLE ROCCA shaving set is a modern, sophisticated option for those who appreciate a smooth, close shave. This set includes a Silvertip badger brush, a safety razor, and a stand, all made from durable, high-quality stainless steel. The brush features handcrafted Silvertip badger hair, known for its softness, flexibility, and exceptional ability to retain water, which creates a rich, creamy lather for a comfortable shave. The safety razor provides a precise and safe shave, while the stainless steel stand helps keep everything organized and within reach. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. Incorporating this shaving set into my routine was straightforward. The Silvertip badger brush felt luxuriously soft on the skin, lathering up effortlessly and leaving a smooth base for the razor. I appreciated how well the brush held water, which contributed to a more consistent, even application of shaving cream. The razor itself was surprisingly ergonomic and offered excellent control. It was gentle on my skin, providing a precise shave without irritation. The stainless steel stand is a thoughtful touch, keeping everything organized and preventing clutter. In terms of usability, this set performed consistently well, delivering a close shave every time. The razor, in particular, stood out with its weight and balance, perfect for anyone who values control during their shave. However, the price point might not be for everyone. While the quality justifies the cost, it's still on the higher end compared to other shaving kits on the market. Let's break down the pros and cons. The pros: premium craftsmanship. The materials used, especially the stainless steel and Silvertip badger brush, are top-notch. Ergonomics. Both the razor and brush are designed for comfort and control, making the shaving experience smooth and precise. Durability. The set feels incredibly sturdy, and the stainless steel stand adds an element of convenience. Sustainability. The brand's commitment to sustainability is worth mentioning, as this set comes with no plastic, an excellent choice for eco-conscious consumers. The cons: price. This set comes with a premium price tag, which may be a consideration if you're on a tighter budget. Learning curve. The safety razor requires a bit of practice, especially if you're used to cartridge razors. It might not be the best option for beginners. So, is this shaving kit worth the money? If you're after a refined shaving experience and don't mind spending a little extra for quality, then absolutely. The craftsmanship and performance certainly make it a strong contender in the high-end shaving kit market. However, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are alternatives that provide good performance at a lower price. When it comes to alternatives, you could look at shaving kits from brands like Merkur or Edwin Jagger, which offer similar craftsmanship with a slightly more affordable price tag. But if you're seeking that MÜHLE level of quality and luxury, you won't find a better option for this price. In terms of build quality, the stainless steel construction is solid and has a premium feel. The longevity of this set is impressive. The razor head is replaceable, and the brush can last for years with proper care. This is a set built to last, and the sustainable design gives you peace of mind that your purchase aligns with eco-friendly values. Now, I haven't had a chance to interact with MÜHLE's customer service directly, but the brand is known for its strong reputation in the shaving community. They're committed to quality, so if you do need assistance, you can likely expect a positive experience. Final verdict: the MÜHLE ROCCA Jet Black Stainless Steel 3-piece shaving set is a stunning, high-quality option for anyone who appreciates the finer things in life. While it may not be the most budget-friendly, its performance, durability, and luxurious design make it worth the investment if you're looking for a premium shaving experience. I'd recommend this set for men who are serious about their grooming routine or for those seeking a unique, thoughtful gift. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.